If you're looking for the biggest Hostinger n8n discount available right now, this is the deal you want to use. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 64% off their self-hosted n8n VPS plans, plus an exclusive extra 10% off with a special coupon code, a free domain name on annual plans, and pricing that's lower than what you see directly on the n8n pricing page. And yes, this stacks. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the exclusive 10% coupon, which term gives you the lowest monthly price, why the 24-month plan saves you the most, and the exact pricing for each VPS plan. Let's jump in. First, go down to the description and click the Hostinger n8n discount link. I've included the Hostinger n8n coupon code next to the link. Quick disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You still get the lowest possible pricing available. Once you click the link, you'll land on Hostinger's VPS page, where you can choose your plan. Hostinger offers multiple billing terms, monthly, 12 months, 24 months. If you want the absolute lowest price, you need to choose the 24-month term. That's where you'll get the lowest effective monthly cost. Important, the coupon code does not work on the monthly plan. So if you select monthly billing, you won't get the full discount. The biggest savings always comes with the 24-month option. Let me break down the actual pricing you can expect with a coupon applied. KVM 1 plan, as low as $4.49 per month, perfect for smaller automation workloads or testing n8n projects. KVM 2 plan, as low as $6.29 per month, great balance for growing automation workflows. KVM 4 plan, as low as $8.99 per month, ideal for heavier usage and more complex workflows. KVM 8 plan, as low as $17.99 per month, best for large-scale automation, high-volume triggers, or production environments. Again, these prices include the up to 64% discount, the extra exclusive 10% coupon, a free domain name on annual plans. That's why the price is lower than what you'll see directly on the self-hosted n8n pricing page. If you're running self-hosted n8n, you want full VPS control, dedicated resources, better performance than shared hosting, scalability. Hostinger's KVM VPS plans give you full root access, isolated resources, and predictable performance, which is exactly what automation tools like n8n need. Once you select your VPS plan and continue to check out, enter the exclusive coupon code shown in the description. This deal is perfect if you want to self-host n8n, don't want recurring SaaS pricing, want more control and flexibility, want the lowest possible long-term VPS costs. The 24-month plan gives you the biggest savings and locks in your rate long-term. If you want the biggest Hostinger n8n discount available right now, click the link in the description and use the exclusive coupon code next to it. That's how you get up to 64% off, plus an extra 10% off, a free domain name on annual plans, and pricing lower than the standard n8n page. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more hosting discounts and step-by-step tutorials. And if you have any questions about which VPS plan to choose for n8n, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.